I will show you a villa in Vilamoura where you can live surrounded by green nature, close to the sea, with a blue sky. This open space kitchen is connected to this outdoor space. Here you can enjoy some meals and have good times with your family and friends. In this room you can enjoy a movie session, and when you feel it, you can go to your own pool and enjoy the excellent sunny weather of Algarve. The construction is made in such a way that you have natural light anywhere in the house. Have you ever imagined waking up, going to your balcony and enjoying this amazing view?